Good afternoon, friends. Yet another episode of Blockchain Inside Out. Today, I will let you know about JustLend platform. What this platform is. JustLend platform is based on Tron. What we can do? We can lend our excess Tron and we can get profit out of it. How we can do this? For the first step, we have to have our TronLink wallet in our Chrome or Brave browser. You all know about Brave browser, which is incorporated with BAT, and by using this Brave browser you can earn Brave token freely. I told you that day. Today also I will show you how much BAT token I have earned. Now I'm going, here you can see this is another ad pop-up from the Brave browser, and I have just earned few amount of BAT token. I will show you this after the discussion of JustLend platform. Well, first we have to log in to our TronLink wallet. This is my TronLink wallet. I have already logged in, so you can see it is reflected or it is connected to JustLend account. When you will open your TronLink wallet, it will get the connection from your TronLink to JustLend account. Now it is showing that I have that much of Tron in my TronLink wallet, and I have deposited 500 Tron just to earn some profit. This is 3.99% profit they are going to provide. I have just deposited yesterday, so till now I haven't earned anything. But what I have earned JTRX and JUSDT I will earn later. And the best part of this JustLend platform, that you can lend your Tron any amount of number, but you can withdraw it at any point. There will be no penalty at all. This is the best part of this platform. I have just deposited 500 Tron, that is some around $13, and I can withdraw it at any point. Here I can click. Now if I want to withdraw, I have to write the amount, and that's all. It will directly deposit into my TronLink wallet. Now what I have earned in terms of J token, I am showing you first, then I will let you know what the J token is. JTRX I have earned 49,994 out of 49,994 JTRX in respect of 500 Tron deposit. And what the JTRX is, here it is written clearly that if you lend something, what J token, when you will give something to this DeFi protocol, DeFi means decentralized finance protocol, you will earn some J token or JUSDT or JSON, anything you may earn, and you can repay it to Tron again. Means while you will withdraw, you will get some amount yield of it, and that will eventually give you some profit in terms of Tron. So that's the benefit of this platform. So here we can use it easily, and earlier they were using Sun token. Sun, you all know, that is the product of Justin Sun. He has developed it, and it was giving Sun token. I am not sure that it will give me Sun token right now or not, because it's not 24 hours yet after I deposited. So I have to wait till 24 hours, then I can see if I get any Sun token or not. But anyhow, it's very much profitable. in my perspective, and I am saying that I have few trons, so I deposited it to get some profit, and whenever I feel that I will use that tron into other area, then I will withdraw it, and it will take a few seconds to withdraw into my tron wallet, and I can reuse it on any field. What I will get out of it, that the interest, after I deposited I will get some interest, so that is the benefit of this platform. Later I will discuss that NFT things. You all know that Ethereum has launched NFT things, and NFT are going very high. They started their NFT from CryptoKitties. Right now there are lots of NFTs, and even Tron is now bringing lots of NFTs nowadays, and you can now deal with NFTs which will be more profitable. I will discuss in details after today's discussion, because today I am just showing you what the Justland platform is, and that's all. And now I am going to show you the Brave reward I earned in this month. Look, I have earned 179 Brave rewards, and that is around 8.29 BAT. Tonight I will earn few more. Hopefully it will be more than 10 BAT. So that is the profit of my this month, and I am seeing that BAT token is moving up, so you can all use Brave browser instead of Chrome. That Brave browser is very fast, and it's very much profitable. While you are surfing, you are getting Brave token as well. That's a very great thing. So now I am going back and I am finishing it, this episode. I have done a mistake in this thing. Well, and never mind, it will be uploaded in my Blockchain Inside Out channel, and hopefully you will enjoy. And don't forget to give me feedback what you are thinking about it. Bye bye, see you soon.